Super Bowl 60, a celebration of competition, excellence, and 250 years of the United States. To honor this milestone, the U.S. Navy and U.S. Air Force come together for a joint flyover, showcasing the past, present, and future of the American air power. Leading the formation, the B-1B Lancer, a long-range, supersonic bomber designed for speed, flexibility, and global reach. The B-1 can carry the largest conventional payload of any U.S. bomber in service. Flanking the formation, two F-15 Eagle. Built for air dominance, the F-15 has an unmatched air-to-air combat record, over 100 victories and 0 losses. From the Navy, two F-18 Super Hornet. Carrier-based, battle-tested, and mission-flexible. The Super Hornet can switch from air-to-air to strike missions in the same flight. And closing the formation, two F-35 Lightning, the most advanced fighter ever flown. The F-35 isn't just a jet, it's a flying sensor network, sharing data across the battlefield in real time. 7 aircraft, 2 services, and a nation turning 250. As these jets roar overhead, we're not just celebrating a game. We're celebrating history, heritage, and a shared moment that brings us together.